Abawa. When you say, Ukun free me, and co emrao, Yanewa. Na eda ye jana kwan kura. Wa wunim nipa dom a bae. Enti yantimi ama me bonsa. Eye yaye ye wie. Na so yantimi enya wo saa. Enti efiafo nyina ya keke nsase kakra. Se eja me fa we ma. Na fake patro faso. Eto so bion wa wunim ukun. Modern ba obo. Eden wa ne kada. Bosumi bia ne ho eduru ya wantuaka. Se samle wa firi mu. Eti me soso ma ye madwen sa de kakra me ye na me de aboa wo ne se. Edan no obetem afia wontua ekabia.
Fira we de nyamishna. Nyamishna.
Awie. So afutu kakra mpese mde ma ne se. Ewum se eja. Esu nyame ono ano de ma. Na ono aso no wofa. Sesi awie ho bebrebe a wodi ehu nya. Ese kwada no akachide no e na odwene ho. Enti pepo ni wanusuo na dwene kwada no ho.
Eja. Enti amedia rewon. Isi a wo hwe baby akofie dua. Isi a wo ko secondary school. Obafo ne wan ni obafo bia. Me ni no bias.
Abawa, don't worry. If God creates you a blind person, He also gives you somebody to hold your stick. I have therefore decided to take responsibility of Kofi's school fees.
Ben Amisha.
God bless you, Ben. God bless you. Look, Abawa, don't worry. We will all do everything within our means to make life easier for you. Please, don't worry.
Oh, Abawa. It's okay. Stop crying.
Baya. Baya. Today, your Reverend Kwan is just superb. What meat did you use?
I used your favorite meat. But
what?
Darling, the cost. Darling, can I ask you for a favor?
Oh, go ahead.
Please, darling, increase the money to 15,000 cedis. The 10,000 cedis is not enough.
You are sick, huh? You are sick. How can you ask me for such a stupid favor? As someone who can open a home, huh? Look, Era, me my time. Home before you come back to me. I was even thinking you were coming to ask me to reduce it to 5,000. What better has a 15,000 and then say what's wrong? Do I ask you for rent? Do you pay for electricity and water bills? Don't come and spoil my appetite.
Darling, have I said something wrong?
Look, if you don't shut your big mouth, I'll shut it for you. The chance ka krabia na wo pese wo don se wura ye hwenim. Friako. Sorry ko na menya kwan ni di. Yesre kakra gina wa obeje obeka sikasem.
Oh, Abawa. Abawa. Now that's you. Abawa, Jai. Abawa. Wouldn't say, who come through me? Oh, yeah, my uncle, papa. Okay, Sabanasa. A quambia me fasu biara when you bejibiano, me faswati. Sisi was shooting na, when you're not too so. Maybe be here, what it? And shoot about Jaisu. Abawa, Jessica, now Fabitia or Kanya, any insurance car.
Yes, I don't should do bad shots.
Oh, yeah. Would you fat would be chia, and I cannot at all? Why?
I'm sure what's that's I'm sure.
Me cook room, Abba. Me person my bad, maybe to say, why? Just so. About.
There's no money on the table, huh? And we don't have food at home.
I don't have money.
You don't have money?
Shut up! Are you the one to tell me how to use my money? If there's no food, you fast. Nonsense.
Oh, God. Is this marriage or master and housemaid?
Dufie, take the bucket from Ben and fetch the water for him.
What is it?
Let me fetch the water for you.
Oh, thank you. But are you not cooking? Please go and do the cooking.
I am almost completed. Let me fetch it for you.
Thank you very much, and God bless you.
Mama, I am fed up with Collins. I have to beg him for money.
Yeah, cheer up. Maybe he doesn't have money.
He has. Every day he buys new clothes for himself. If he does not have, I mean, how can he keep on shopping for himself?
Yeah. Your husband is handsome. He has to appear neat. He's doing this for you. Aren't you proud of him? Look at these beautiful children that he's produced for us. Just look at them. Just look at them.
Mama, do I have to beg him for money? I am fed up.
Told you to come to me for money whenever the need arises. See, I don't want you and your husband to argue over money. And listen, men like your husband are not easy to come by. At least you get beautiful children. Let's see. Take this. I think it's enough. Yeah, go home. Go home when you're bema. What's the American children? Here they are watching today. Now, cry when you around why. With a fee, my boy was straight. Is your young a chirash room, you know? You're me. You really quite come a sinny war a rear. You say, would be so a pump. I know could be was some mamma. And men must say, who couldn't say any catch on. Oh, my dear, why when you'll be betting was I you? A croom had as I were winning.
I'm how they come on. I went to offer last Friday, but he couldn't honor his promise.
Oh, so what fast me, they be a catcher. What for you done him way, and they be out, so they were fast and drama. What for a Cassibaji way, who can't know what done in the same. May be won't cry and tears it. Or but class some natural, and no, and I but see me of papa. Hello, boy. Bye, yo. Only I'm quiet. Shall we, yo, sister? Bye.
Aba. Bema bena kujana kwa.
O fori. O ye minua o.
Ujiri.
Minua bema.
Na ye be yiri me hunu.
Oh, enye we ni asuma no me wo fa horse ahwi no. Refi.
Oh, my shadow so. My shadow so.
Eh, ona kwano no jama wadwen o se bibia ho.
Oh, David. Oh, be dey be born ho ban. Na o hwe amamre bu pa so a. Anka wonya nyintuma tuntumi ngu dia. Kase so be ma bia akora be sra.
Oh, enye bone kwan so. Uhunu a wo de ma ndwen adwen bia. Bibia dade.
Yo.
Enye mi wodem.
Yo. Be se be sha ho.
Jano no.
Sister Dufie, could you please wash my clothes for me?
Oh, Brad Ben, you need not to beg me to do your washing for you.
And please take this for soap.
No, I have enough soap. Please take the money.
Oh no, you don't need to use your soap for me. Please take the money. Dufie, take my keys. I will not be home early today. Huh? So fetch some water for me. Huh?
Van.
My hands are clean.
Dufie. Bra. Dufie, I saw Ben giving his keys to you this morning. And now you are cooking for him. But let me warn you before you make any mistake. She has gone to the village to deliver.
Sister Cha, there is nothing going on between us. He just gave me his keys to fetch water for him.
Sister Cha, there is nothing. Hey, a word to your wife is enough. I don't want you to waste your time on me. So I just want to make up. When you're Safana, well, so no. The money you give me is not enough for us and the children.
Look, Eraba, I have had enough of your complaints. If you think the money I give you is not enough, I'll advise you to quit.
Please, Collins. You know things are expensive now. So if I complain, you shouldn't be angry.
That is nonsense. That is nonsense. What do you expect me to do? Huh? For me to sit down, for you to yell at me? Let me tell you, Eraba, there are some women who are ready to feed and clothe me. But because of you, I can't even give in to their demands. I'll be happier if you pack your things and leave my room. In fact, if it hadn't been for your mother, I would have sacked you a long time ago. Nehumbi.
No cry. I am not. I won't cry. Don't cry. Don't cry, okay? Please. Why are you crying? Don't cry, okay? Don't. Don't cry. Go. Oh God. Raven, good evening.
Oh, hello, good evening.
I brought your clothes.
Oh, thank you. Please put them down. Dufie, why are you trying to avoid me? Have I done something wrong to you?
No.
Then why? Please sit down. Please. I want to discuss something with you. I like you very much. I hope you know that. I want to marry you.
Do you want to marry me? No, Braben, I can't marry you.
Oh, Dufie, why? You don't like me?
I like you, but I can't marry you. Please, I'm leaving.
Oh, Dufie. Somebody is misinforming this girl about me.
Dufie, Ben has told me that he wants to marry you. What have you to say?
Ofa, you know he has a wife. Me, I don't want to be a second wife.
Who told you Ben is married? Eh?
Nah, are you sure he's not married?
I have known Ben for 2 years and he is not married.
But somebody told me he has a wife and she has gone to the village to deliver.
It is a complete lie. Huh? You must be very careful about the people you call friends. Now, Kumasi Yonkor and your Yonkopa.
KUMASI YONKOR. Opa, I can't believe this.
It is true.
Level ground.
Hey. Oh, yeah, down.
My name is Sammy.
Maybe something. We saw a red arrow.
I'm looking for Abawa.
About only what to cry.
When is she coming back?
Hura. As my baby, what you would be as awesome. Huh? The sure to cry. Let me say something about Sassambia. The same coffee. Oh, cough. Go. What was it? The super. I saw my county.
George! Why are you pushing the man, eh?
Madam, my crime is I came to look for Abawa.
George, why do you always quarrel with people who come to visit Abawa? Eh? The other day it was that young man, and today it's this man.
Yeah, but about 20, and I may son, may one home by. Send a baby be a hand. Ati, men peso baby a baba hanging. Ati.
Why do you think men who come to visit Abawa will take advantage of her? Anna, open.
Oh, Opa. Yeah, Onyafi. Ati men peso baby a baba srasrano. Ati, baby a baby, I'm an abaku.
Then I think you're overprotecting her.
But no matter me say me mobia ma. As my American. Now order afine. Hey, oh, hey, what of the one? Ha, sister Bawa.
Ago. Onuabe. Say, and then me dim wa fasi ni mpom ye Dufie emo awade. Me ni udada so yin papa. Enti koso aye benya me nim wo no. Anu nti na mayi makoma mu edem de hye ma wo. Me srew. Ese so ma suba no ye de benya me nim wo a enam so ama me dim wa fasi ya ma wo no de bia.
Dufie, I have known Ben for about 2 years now. I know him to be a gentleman, and I believe Dufie has gotten herself a good husband. Dufie, and paying for say, our ne kwanwa. Enti wo kono me srew And for our some enkobon kro. Show who ye wo kumasi yonkor. Nti fa yonkopa na wa ma ofutupa.
Yo, abusiafo. Send your Bible eka wo emebusem. Eti du nwotwe nchichemu aduonu mienu no. Ose, ne wonya oyire no, wonya adepa, na wonya onyankopon so animadom. Hesane tie dia, yenyina ebe sorry. Ne di mpaibo atai, yenua be ma ne yire ayefro yechi. Me nyina na so na yentai yenua ba yechi. Yeda wasi nyame tumfo ene anopei.
Hey, Pa George. Ena me ba wo ba. Me pese me hudi kudi ntia. Wani sami sana ma me ho ntomi. Aden ye di asemo a.
Hwe.
Aden.
Abawai. Me de oyiye mu nti elam yesa. Me pe oyiye.
Wo pe wan ye. Afedi abrusu Pa George ma me ho ntomi. Aden ye di asem na ma me ho ntomi sa.
Na sa ba ne sa. Sa de ye nche. Na hukungu ye nche. Na me frasi ewurawura dem. E de me pere so. So do hu obema bi. Na se wani gi ne ho na apɛ no a. Be hu me. Na me pere so a no afa no.
Wo ma hu se de nti. Adam me ma me una wo no ana. Adam me ma me wodoka kam yontu ama wo.
We de abofra na ade. Enso hu okotani a osi aba. Woni ma ade afiri soro.
Ade na afi soro ba. Me anwen ya ho.
Ma me
besin ba udi o chire bi disi ho.
Be se me mpre. Obema bi obeba ha bia afa de be se ka na beto be twitwa won.
I have decided to move back to the village. I have enjoyed city life for the past 40 years. And now that I am on pension, I must run away from the noise and the chaos.
What about your children? Where are they going to stay when they return from abroad?
Oh, Dufie. They have acquired houses for themselves. Better still, they can come to me in the village.
It's a good decision. The tension in the city does not make it a resting place.
I want the two of you to take good care of yourselves. Be careful about the people you choose as friends. Because what I have come to know is that KUMASI YONKOR and Yonko Papa, they pretend to like you, but they will be seeking your downfall.
Thank you, Papa. We promise to be of good behavior.
Hey, Dufie.
I'm going to the market.
Okay. Don't keep long.
I won't keep long.
And be careful of the pickpockets. I learned they are having a field day in the market.
Thank you.
Dufie. I hope the money your husband gives you is enough.
Yes. Why?
I think there is one thing as a married woman now you must know.
Dufie, there are certain things in marriage you need to know.
What I will tell you now is you have to start savings. You must make some savings out of every money your husband gives you for the market. You don't have to use all the money.
If you don't want your husband to know, I can keep the money for you.
Thank you. I'll think about it.
This is not something you have to think about. You must act now.
Debiarada, Opedodo, Wombo Enjo, Niya Wawa, Dodo Awa Manono, Dodo Na Wohia, Entimu Famu Homo. And yes, I will battery Adia Esumbu, Adia Esumbu Mao.
Yecha.
Where is the meat on the food?
Collins, meat is expensive nowadays. Please, manage this.
It's expensive, so what? Don't I give you enough money?
Collins, face it. Your 10,000 cedis is not enough. It can't buy anything in the market. If you want more meat, increase your money.
Who should face it? Yes, you are being influenced. Oh, be careful. You are being influenced.
Nobody is influencing me. The money is simply not enough. You have to increase it.
Why are you talking to me? Huh? Nonsense.
Want to me fa, want to want so catch a wish from. So se benkum eya sheni fam. Diabonin to me so abapa.
Ba George.
Aba.
And you may be cause of fear ha. Me dwene ho amenti ase kra.
Aba hade.
Wo be ma kra no. Wo yiri wuye. Wanya na otwe na akofo ba betina wo ntwe.
Aba. Se do be ma. Oba ma do betimi aye de opa bia. Na oba na se wukungu a aje afe. Asa na wakofo ba ma. Abansa oba ma besra wo. Ti oba ma de o tu so ye bibia. Aba. Aba. Pesa me kasi mbi chiro.
Oh.
Aba me kasi ma chiro. Sima ka chiro se obi bia mi an me.
Oh, why? Waka.
Na aba. Pesa me no wo.
Wo pesa no me wo ho. Chere me ase kakra me.
Oh, aba we na wo ti ase. Me pesa me wale wo.
Wo pesa wo ware me. Ba George. Wa jinie. Wenti na so bia ba me nchen a, wo di ni ham. We fa ha wo di ni ham. Obi ba me nchen. Na oba be bo me so akra no a, wo di ni ham. We nti a. Ba George, we sha wa dwini dem.
Oh, aba.
Wa dwi no ordinary free wo dem be ka asem we kire me. We gya no dem. San ko na ko fa bra san na wa be ka de wo ka na kire me.
Aba me pani o.
Minim sasa wo nim nyansa sa.
Oh.
Hwe edwini we wan kasa na ofu ade. Onfifi we wa na ofu ade wate. What bodam papa? What bodam? Come so me dem, stop me dem. Mrs. Sorry na kwa.
Aba.
Mrs. Sorry na kwa. Minim sa sound nim nyansa sa. Kan pie. Kan kwa. O shini be ma. What wani mase. Wa bom su okrom ha wo. Na nim tantan bia odigina. O sia gu anum. Ehun nam ni de mi gina we ya ko tia metia. Me pew. O china nsu biom sambra ha wo be hu. What check on na uma number? Nim tantan bi odigina.
Hey, Yecha. What is in the bag? Am I not talking to you? What is in the bag? Let me see the content. This is imported wax. Where did you get them? Huh? Who gave this to you? Look, if you don't answer, I will slap you. Who gave you these things? Huh?
Mother gave them to me.
Your mother gave you these things without informing me. Should she deny any knowledge of this? Wallahi, you are dead. Huh? You will leave my house immediately.
Debiarada, Opedodo, Wombo Angel, Nia Wawa, Dodo Awa Manono, Dodo Na wo here.
Down for war! And put it there. I will check it with your mother. And should she deny any responsibility, Froko.
Entimu famu humo.
Ago. Ago.
Hey, aso. Nyabotre. Yeah, wait. Hey, aso, sit down, aso. Oh.
Aso, good afternoon.
Good afternoon. Do you care for some water?
No.
What brings you here?
Aso, yesterday Yeche came home with these items. She said you gave them to her, and I'm here to find out if it is the truth.
Oh yes, I gave them to her as a birthday gift. Why?
Oh, so how could you do that without telling me? It's nearly brought misunderstanding between us.
Oh, I'm sorry. Bemena, why? I'm sorry. Honestly, I should have presented them to you to be given to her. I'm so sorry. I promise it will never happen again. I'm sorry. Oh, why?
I must be leaving.
Oh, wait. Your father-in-law says, yes. He said he promised you some money. So, lady, something small from your father-in-law.
Oh, but so
please.
You know I can't take money from you.
Please, something small from your father-in-law. Please, just take this.
Oh, Asio, please don't do that.
Oh, something little. Thank you so much. I can't hear about Bemma. The name de Jasa with Yebi. It's a quick to see me and one a year. Your my baby in Sian so crying your shade. Ja, you was sooner woman with your heart. Just say, was sooner mad ye. Say, Polano Siania, a better winter. Hey, when one see a kind you'll be anyone who be present.
Thank you, Asio. Please express my sincere gratitude to my father-in-law.
Okay.
I must believe him.
Okay. So. Take care. I don't know. Like I said, you get to go to the shop. Hey, Jamasi, we party. I people more for the movie. Pow. Me talk with me. The mama way just say, "One you over and yes, no more fit. What do we baby? Yeah, that's it. We didn't make up. They didn't say yes. Come on. Show. Wash me baby. I'm not going to come 2 years. Near Gianni Croma, me do washing. Hey, oh, fit. That's my name. It's at the pub if ye.
Ben, I don't see you of late. Why?
Oh.
You don't want to mingle with us anymore.
Oh, how? It's just that these days I come home very tired. I haven't seen Brad Collins for some time now. Has he traveled?
Oh, he's around.
Okay.
How can you see him when you're so glued to your wife, eh?
It's not that, Sister Chan.
Anyway, let's talk about why I called you.
What is it?
Ben, I have observed something and I think I must caution you.
Have I done something wrong?
Oh, no. It's about the way you treat your wife. I think you are over-pampering her. You give her too much gifts.
Sister Chan, I don't give her gifts that often. But anyway, thank you for your advice.
Okay.
See you in the evening then.
Okay. Have a nice day.
Thank you.
And a gun or so. Oh, my. Collins, Grace has sent these things from Holland for you and Yechan.
Okay.
Yeah. And these are her shoes. So, give it.
Well, thank you, Asu. Has she given the final date she wants to come?
She's still not certain, but I believe one thing will attract her home.
And what is it?
Collins, with all due respect, when are you going to marry HR formally? See, Grace is ready to foot the entire bill. Money is no problem. If you agree to do it, I believe you should definitely come home.
Well, I've also thought about it, but I've not chosen a date yet. I will discuss it with Iya so that we can decide on the date.
Okay. Okay. Thank you for that. Thank you. So, let me pack the things. And I nearly forgot. This envelope was added to the things.
Oh.
It's all for you.
Okay.
Hey. You're leaving now, I guess.
Yes.
Oh, let me help you. Hey.
Oh. So don't worry yourself.
Hey,
I'll be okay.
No. Let me help you. Hey. Here. Hey.
Dufie.
Oh, let me help you.
Oh, thank you. How are you?
I'm fine, thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you. Is Ben in?
Oh no, he hasn't come.
Okay.
Nana, look at the shopping Collins made for me yesterday.
Shit.
And look at this. This and this.
Hey! Wow. Mom, Collins, you're crocodile pound.
Hey, Collins of a mini agro. Hey!
Charlie,
Where they common crowd?
not we know, Ben Sherman and I say, Calvin Klein, to say, him.
And this.
Yeah. This is straight from Italy.
Make how nice.
Charlie.
Charlie.
And you easy.
Shit.
Cuckoo. Ship under. Ay, yeah, sure. Yeah, shad, you know. These are very neat. They are very expensive.
Hey. Oh, no. Who cooked your papa?
Hey, when you are there, not to surround, not what free wabber for. Why?
Double skeleton. Ay.
Hey.
Now they won't train them in Bansa. Eh?
Would you will be on person?
Just so born up past him.
Hey, Dufie, what is in the polythene bag?
My new shoe.
Your what?
My new shoe.
Your what? Your new shoe. Let me have a look at it.
That's what they want Simpia.
Hey. Now where there's Santiago and I said it.
Wait, a shoe lele.
Shoe la lele. Aha, Dufie. Who could you be my house to share? Now we will be there.
I mean, take this. Take it.
To me far to one soul. So catch a wish through for.
Don't you see any difference?
Dufie, there is a big difference. Look at them very well. Anao. Mompa taxi driver wa we ya. Wait, are you almost sure one cotton don't boy you be anything?
Hey. Look here. My husband bought them for me yesterday. This is pure Italian shoes from first class boutique.
You see, Ben has to buy you something expensive.
Yes.
He should go to the boutique and stop buying you these cheap shoes.
Now find a better way, baby. Into what man now shoe and now oje. Ah,
monkey play by side.
From them. Dufie, ajoum. Quay. Inti wait. O já sacré bebê.
Che. Nkrofo bi se enche no map.
Ka dia no be ni fia.
Opon so ba sin.
Boy enko.
Irade nyankopon ase.
De biarada. Ope dodo. Wombo enjo. Niya wowo. Dodo awo manono. Dodo na wo hia. Enti mu famu mo.
Fee, when are you going to make up your mind? You keep on telling me stories.
Sit. I have told you to give me some time, but you still don't understand me.
Look at where you stay. You live in the single room with that lady. Just look at my flat. It's too big for me alone.
Sweetheart, my sweetie, Dee, I know, but I cannot just leave that woman. Sweetie, that woman has helped me a lot. I owe her. And I don't want to be ungrateful to her.
How much do you owe her? I'm ready to pay for your freedom. I want to take you to my father. They are pressing me for the man in my life.
Ewa, just give me up to the end of this year. But please, let us keep this relationship at this level. For the time being, please.
The end of the year is too far. I'm begging you. Please make up your mind, Fee. I'm ready to provide all your needs.
That's why I love you.
Give us 500,000.
That's why I love you.
I'm off to the market. Ah, okay. Dufie, please come closer. Dufie, how much does your husband give you for the market?
Are you confused? She says, how much do you take to the market?
He gives me 20,000 cedis a day.
20,000 cedis.
Why? Is it not enough?
Sure. How can you take 20,000 to the market nowadays?
Hey.
Sister Cha, I try to manage it. To me, it is okay.
20,000 cedis is not enough. He can do better than that. You have to ask him for about 30,000 cedis. My husband gives me 30,000 cedis, but I've asked him to increase it.
Thank you. I'll do something about it.
You better do. 20,000 cedis. How much can you save every day? It is not enough. My husband gives me 40,000 cedis. But still, I am not satisfied.
Bombo enjo, niya wawa, Dodo awo manono, dodo na wo hia, enti mu famu humo wo. Yes, I will battery adia esumbu ma wo.
Ben, these days, things are very expensive in the market.
I know. At the lean season like this, especially food becomes very expensive.
So, won't you do something about it? You have to increase the money to 30,000 cedis.
I will. Dufie, give me some time. Nowadays, the taxi business is not good. There are better days ahead. Don't worry.
So, does it mean you've accepted the 30,000 cedis?
30,000 cedis is too much. As a taxi driver, my pay is not much. I will increase it to 25,000 cedis.
If you know your pay is not much, why did you marry? I will not take 25,000 cedis.
Don't say that. Do you want us to consume every peso I make? Huh? We have to do some savings against the future.
I don't think that is necessary. If we can live today, why do we think of the future? Let's deal with present situation and leave the future for posterity.
I don't agree with you, but we don't have to argue over this. If what I give can only afford kinky for now, we have no choice.
Do you think I print money? Today this, tomorrow that. Look, I am fed up with you.
I'm also fed up with you. What kind of 15,000 cedis did they do for me? You have to increase it.
Rabba, do you know how I sweat before I give this 15,000 cedis? If you think it is not enough, you can pack and go.
I will go. Do you think I have nowhere to go? Some big men are after me. You have been a hindrance in my life.
Nana, I want you to leave my room now. I can no more accommodate you. Pack and go. Go and follow your big men. Go and follow your big men. Go. Go and follow them. Go. Go. Go and follow your big man. Go.
Dufie, please. I was only joking. Please don't send me packing. I don't have nowhere to go.
I don't care. Go and follow your so-called big man.
Dufie, please.
Menna obeya mi apuskereke. Misika besa na adie no boho. Apuskereke. Me phone card besa na phone boot si wo. Me phone card. Me kuta 150 units intact. Boot nyana. For phone boot ko.
Please.
Boot nyana. Don't touch me. Boot the brain. Fire me.
Wombo and Joe.
Dufie, what happened today?
Why?
Why this food? Are you not going to answer my question?
What do you expect me to say? Haven't I told you to increase the money?
Come on. Do you want to tell me that this is what the money I gave can afford?
Yes.
20,000 cedis can do much better than this kinky. Don't be ungrateful. Do you think it's all women who get this amount?
I hope you are also aware that some also get more than 20,000 cedis.
Will you shut up? You are being ungrateful. Or are you using the money for something else?
Something else like what? Please, don't annoy me. Nonsense.
I'll take my kinky like that.
So, Fifi, what is the problem?
We had a little misunderstanding over chop money. I only asked him to increase it and he got angry.
So, how much do you give her a day?
Brother, I give her 15,000 cedis a day. And she asked me to increase it to 20,000 cedis. Brother, say. And you know what? The most annoying thing is, she told me there are some big men after her. Then, she should go and follow them.
Be satisfied with what you have.
He gives you 15,000 cedis a day, and you don't appreciate it.
This world is full of deception.
So you have been putting that nonsense in a child's head. Do you know how much I give her a day? Go and ask her. I give her 10,000 cedis a day. And if you are fortunate to receive 15,000 cedis a day and you don't appreciate it, then it is up to you. Even with the 10,000, I'm still negotiating it down. It will even be an insult to plead on your behalf.
Be satisfied with what you have.
Who say no? Who say no? You are destroying the market. Nana. Let me enjoy my 10,000.
Look at you. Just look at you. Nonsense.
Level ground. Round about.
KUMASI YONKOR and Nadakwa. Asisawa huwa kwa hudo bebreso. Tisabusum kutre ohuni huso.
Hey, Acha, is it true that Collins gives you 10,000 cedis a day?
Who told you that?
Collins, he said he gives you 10,000 cedis a day.
It is never true. You know Collins, he was just joking. How can Collins give me 10,000 cedis? Eh?
Other glitters is not gold.
Right done. Now I need somebody to go and plead with Fifi on my behalf.
You leave everything to me, okay? I know what to do, okay? What do I offer you?
Level ground.
Dufie, I'm sorry for my behavior yesterday. I shouldn't have said all that I said to you. Please forgive me. Please.
Ben, there is no need to beg me. It was just a little misunderstanding. You get up.
You know what? I have decided to compensate you.
Oh, there is no need to compensate me.
No, I was too strong on you. You need a sort of compensation. Take this. It's for my heart to you.
Thank you very much.
No, now put this inside. Let's go inside. Put it inside. Let's go. Yes.
Thank you.
Hey, Dufie, are you bringing us some gifts?
I want you to have a look at something from me.
What is it?
My husband and I had a little misunderstanding. And he compensated me with these.
Let me have a look at them.
They are good, aren't they? No. Did you say you had misunderstanding and he appeased you with these?
Hey, Dufie, they are inferior. I am not impressed.
What do I do now?
I hope Ben is at the station now. Take them to him and ask him to buy a Holland wax. Have you seen Holland wax before?
All that glitters is not gold. This world is full
Sandra
of deception.
Please
Be
pick
satisfied
the cloth on the bed for me.
with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you have. Soon as you fall, you go sabi say, what are they carrying you round
Thank you,
about?
dear. This is Holland wax.
See them
Have a
how
look
they
at it.
go from one to another, looking so harmless as a
You deserve
dog.
something like this. Not these rats. Why is he always buying you inferior clothes? Go and give them to him at the station. The atmosphere will be to your advantage. He will be forced to change them.
Dufie, if he proves to be difficult, you can pretend and create a scene there. And he wouldn't like that. That will make your conditions accepted.
In this case, I am going right to the station. Cool.
Right now, go there.
Sister Chan, please, can I take this along?
Oh, take it along. Why not?
Thank you.
Dufie, don't keep long.
Okay.
Yabaya. E mo afran wa say o.
Wa something move here.
Jamende.
One to another, looking so harmless as a dog. Their advice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. KUMASI YONKOR and Yonko pa. Their words are smoother than oil. Do not get fooled by the hymn singing. All that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have. Secret eyes are longing for what you
I mean, yeah. From somewhere. As a woman, you know why you.
From grace to grass. See uncle and uncle.
What is the matter with you? Dufie, what is wrong with you? Huh? Have you heard any bad news from the village?
It is about the clothes you gave me.
What is wrong with them?
Look, this is Holland. And these are inferior.
Dufie, you are being unreasonable. Huh? These clothes are good. All my friends over here bought some for their wives. So I don't see your point.
She would not see my point. Because I accepted your proposal so easily.
Dufie, what are you telling me? Okay, you please go home. Oh, we'll settle it.
No, I'm not going. We are settling everything right here.
Their advice so pleasant to the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. KUMASI YONKOR and YONKOR pa. The words are smoother than oil.
Niewonimuani. Ade atia sen polish. Shoemaker ni ba. O penti kokko, ni o penti tuntum. Soli ko ukunu ho. Ne jade o te wo kire bi.
Won ko ba bia. Me fa me baba ma be ma oburuma. Na me nim se sa na wote.
Nyanko. Suma wutimi sesa wadwe. Sakra wadwe nyanko sakra wadwen. Ewia se da no ho awoso da ho bi. Sa na wodi sa na kwakusu. Oja wawale a obetena ha. Ufri se me no ba adoso. Na abetwen wafusi ho. Woti amangugu pai mu a aya wodi kodwa. Wodi nsu ata ho. Na wawe ni nyina. Enti oba ne so o metena ha meboa. Wo metina bisa meboa. He meka mo aso ate se oba ne wontena fie ha enne ane watena akira. Se oba ye watie nanum asem. Na be ma ne watie nanum asem.
Me pensa fu bia wona no metie.
Sa yo mate.
Tie hwimfi no.
Mate wo de.
Wo bia be wo nana. Wodi kuna bro no. Na be ka bia ma no no. Wo di be ma na chi.
Enne ye dey. Enne ye dey.
Enne ma de sa na mu na motie.
Kasa
sa na mu na motie.
Wo de kekane o pekire me sa ne ye nyina te. Wa ho ofe de wo be ko na usuban boni agya wo be si fia bribia. Abofra wanse oni a wo se. Yo ma mi suban na sua. Na ye me yase kofie ni ha. Kofie ko ba bi o ko no ofiri ho beduru a wo be hu kwa o de wo be fa so. Wadi su janya mu kopro no. Baji mu saagin. Wo so baji mu saagin. Na kofie ba bi o ko bia no wo beba. Wo beba betu wo fie ha. This
world is full of deception. Be satisfied with what you have.
Mami Nyako and Ejako, I have come back for my wife. I am sorry for everything I did.
Hey, Krachi, what do you take us for? Do you think you can use my daughter as one of your properties?
I am sorry. I don't know what came over me. I will never do that again.
After turning my daughter into a punching bag, all you can say is, I am sorry.
Hey, Nyako. Adey. Abrante ye hu se wanu no. Aba bebu nkotodwe wo wanim. Adey na fa no bone nche no. Asem ben na ba wiase a ye de sika na papa mu. Eya anu ya na ye de ka. Adey.
Gisemewu. Dufie wantuni na mu firi ekura yase enkwada.
Wo so wasem ye twan dodo. Wasem ye twintwan dodo.
Kalitum.
Adey.
Me na me ba no de me pe e na obeye. Krachi. The earlier you leave this village, the better it will be for you. Go, get yourself a new wife.
Secret eyes are longing for what you have.
Grachi. Kona da senewaga. Na ba yu anu ankasa no. No of a coffee no tu kwan. On ne gina ji awale no ni ho. No ba mi gidi se bibia be ye wate. Sole ne ko ofa bonten kwan na afichire de no. Aha fa bi ha de ne ko. Na wase na no sa no. Mi suro no wa medomi.
Oh, Ben. Oh, please, let me touch the water.
Oh, thank you. Please, let me do it myself. I just need a bucket full.
Oh, no. Let me do it for you, please.
Thank you.
KUMASI YONKOR and YONKOR.
Ben, how do you manage to eat?
I eat from the roadside.
Oh.
See them how they go from one to another.
You know what? I will give my friend Nana to you.
Stitch up. Nana is too expensive for me.
When I want to into your mo, when you shit, Preme Unuqua. Or no, or Jidame to see. Boyfriend, I will be. I will ban what should I say? No.
Are you sure?
Oh, how can I lie to you?
Their advice so pleasant to the ears.
You know what? Give me some money. I will let her cook for you.
See them how they go from one to another. Looking so
when you come back.
Okay, then I'll be back.
To the ears. Do not fall from grace to grass. KUMASI YONKOR and YONKOR. The words are smoother than oil.
Yes, come in, please.
The hymn singing, all that glitters is not gold. This world is full of deception.
I don't expect you here.
Oh, then she's here.
Hey, what do I offer you then?
Oh, nothing. Thank you.
If I may ask, what brings you here?
Oh, Ben. To cut a long story short, I have brought Nana for you.
You have brought Sister Nana for me?
Oh, yes. Why?
Sister Yecha.
Oh, Ben, you can handle her. And yet, Muni Massimo, why?
Sister Nana.
So, Ben, there's something there.
Oh, thank you.
Ben, didn't you go to work today?
Oh, no, it's my car. It's in the fridge. It's with the mechanic. It's with the mechanic.
But you have a very nice hair.
Thank you. My mother told me when I was born.
It's a long time, Ben.
Yeah. I even saw it the last time. Over there.
Ben, let me see something here for you.
Where?
I want to see something here.
Oh,
let me see. Let's see. here.
Oh,
He's here. Such a nice and handsome guy. Are you okay?
Not quite.
Then relax.
Yes, I want to relax. Take this fine.
Ben, 30,000 cedis. It's too much. Please take 20,000 cedis out of it.
But 10,000 cedis is not enough.
Don't worry. If it's not enough, I'll add my money to it. You know I work. You have to make some savings. You don't have to spend all the money you earn.
Nana, I thought you were very expensive.
No, it is never true. You see, people have wrong perception about women who try to appear presentable all the time.
I have wasted my money and time. It's all the same. Thank you. I'll see you in the evening. Huh?
Let me see you.
What are you doing here?
I'm waiting for Ben, my darling.
You slept too long. Hey! You know what? Hey, best name Dufie. Ben is not a small boy.
Yeah, Chan. I cannot wait to see him. I've missed him, Papa. We know that there are two chances down, so I'm an
Hey! Me go.
You can't remember. You do it.
Hey. Nana. Into Ben Yelma, say. Hey.
Acho. I have to be in the so now what do you want to mention me? Sa na you ya fifi jam no. Sa men fa ba hebi acho nsi. Sa men kanchiro. E china na de me ko kumasi yonko. Ana ya fifi jam sa me kan wi sunchi.
Come on.
enti asam kitikiti wenti and asa nema firi ukru ho e de begu akurase a Dufie hweye o hweye wate hweye anya wa
na on de ono a wotiwe wono a yese twumasi wa mo adamte a anka kom amawiase abofra nse woni afa na mpanimfu ase no mate ase ne wose radio wase woni ankasa wase woni ankasa na so se oni a obebre obeto
wachira no pa kukozi kokroko me so nsa se twom na mdo akoma ku obeko je don to cheche sheye pa wati we so dia no de niam no de begu ho me nware we so na akofa niam ba wo fa wo honti aden ma bremu
afedia monkasa afedia monkasa kasa menu mi adu de na suonyinu suohia na nkasa no ene ehuru no awo minimum ma hwe ade a wapiri ho wo hwe manim wo gira wo hwe manim won se wutirim wo ba na wo twekura mai wutirim mudue echegbo wuresi aboba sobro wa no na fa hwe me papa no na aba pa de me ene de nyakwa bro na no ajuse oya menim oyo so hwe oni anim mu gina be ma na aba be ma o kaza o minimum ma o me fa wa pam afede oya menim we de o jire ene min drafia ho ba bi o go bia me eni neji ti wo wa no den me ka kire se ablantia no won ko be ma nkasa be ba oya menim
I'm very sorry. Please forgive me.
What is the problem?
It's nothing really. I'll be in very soon. Go and wait for me.
Nana! Mediation.
Is that you?
Dufie. Do you know her?
Ofa. She's my friend. She convinced me to go to the village.
You see? I told you that Kumasi Yonkor and your Yonko Papa. So what we were here.
Yes.